What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell coins on Bitget exchange. So you're first going to create an account, go to Bitget's website and sign up for an account, fill out the form with your email address, password and other required information, verify your account by providing documents and proof of address and stuff like that. Then you're going to fund your account, do a deposit using any payment method. Choose your coin. You're gonna select the cryptocurrency from the available options like Bitcoin, Ethereum and others. Set your order, decide whether to use a limit order or a market order, where limit order is specify the price you're willing to pay, market order buy the current market price. Then you're gonna place your order, confirm your order and wait it to be executed. Selling coins on Bitget exchange. You're gonna connect your wallet, link your cryptocurrency wallet, hardware or software to Bitget. Choose your coin. You're gonna select the cryptocurrency you wanna sell, set your order, decide whether to use a limit order or market order like before. Place your order and confirm it and wait it to be executed. Withdraw your funds once your sale is completed. Withdraw your funds to your wallet or bank account. And that is it.